Okay, as you can see, I've made some progress. This is the bodywork, the lower half. You've got the wheels here. One of these is broken off, and that's there. That was broken into two pieces there that have been glued back together. Just letting that set, and then I've got to stick it on there so it matches up with that hook. And then this part here, I've glued this part here. Just super glued this for now, and then I'm gonna use 2-part epoxy to give it some more strength, because super glue isn't that great. So then when that's all done, there's a peg on this side, and that will fit into the mount in there. And should be a peg on this side, but it's broken off, so I've got to glue that back on. That's there, and then that should, if this focuses, fit in there and rest on those 2 springs. And there's a gear there which meshes with this part here. This part, it's got a crack here. Again, I've got a 2-part epoxy. It's just super gluing at the moment. It's very fragile. It's probably going to not hold. But yeah, everything seems to be working except that front bulb. Ironically, I did have some Christmas tree lights that I threw out because they were 240 volt and they were dangerous. But should have kept the bulbs. I might have them somewhere. I'm pretty sure I threw them out though. Didn't want to be messing about with 240 voltage Christmas tree lights, starting fires and shit. But yeah, that's something to worry about another time. Yeah, it's pretty much all clip together. Somebody, I think, did use some glue here at some point. That was a bit tricky getting that off. But it pretty much all clips together. With it being this sort of age, the plastic gets brittle, and obviously if it gets jammed and somebody forces it open, it's going to crack. It just needs a bit of a clean up. But the motor seems to be working. I'm not sure how the eject mechanism works. It just lifts up that little tab. There might be something missing, or say this goes backwards and forwards. So I'm not sure how that works. I'll work it out. I'm sure that won't be a problem. So the switch works. That's all good. This switch here works. It's a bit gummed up with grease, but it works. It's a bit slow returning into its proper position. This one sits a little bit higher, so I think there might be something missing there. But we'll see once we epoxy it and put it all back together. I've done as good a job I could with that for now. And so I'll go over it with epoxy, sand it all down, make sure it all meshes back together. And I might put a pin in that to give it a bit more strength. So I've got the end bit here. Just glue that little nub on and just put a pin through it and epoxy that in place, so that will give it a bit more strength. And then reassemble it and see it in all its glory, except for the one headlight. So yeah, just another quick video. Thanks for watching. Be back soon. Oh, and these 2 little clips. These go on the back here. They're broken off here and here. There's 2 other clips at the front here and here, so that's just those 2 to go back on. So I think all the parts were there, unless I'm missing anything. No, I think I've pretty much solved the puzzle. It's probably a load of crap, and it probably is unnecessary, because you've got fast forward and rewind on your videotapes, but I just thought it was a cute little novelty and picked it up. 15 quid delivered. Why not? Bit of fun fixing it up. Bit of crap. Again, thanks for watching.